In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to help kids with homework while you're babysitting. Stay tuned. Hey sitters, welcome back. It's Lydia, thanks for joining me. Have you ever gone to a house or had a babysitting job you walked into and the parent on a weeknight and the parent said, "Oh, by the way, little Johnny needs help with homework." It's happened to me. And let me tell you, I'm not great with homework or focusing. So over the years, I figured out how I could focus myself by focusing them. So I want to share that with you guys today. But first, if you're new here and you want to become a better babysitter, or you're looking for tips and tricks on how to become a better babysitter, or you're just starting to become a babysitter, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. And if you have any questions or topics you're wanting me to talk about or do a video about, please leave them in the comment section below and I will not hesitate to help you out. So how do we help little Johnny with focusing on his homework and getting it done so maybe you could play before bed? If it's directly after school, you want to give them a chance to refresh, to give them a little time to relax before you guys jump into homework. Ask them about their day, what was the greatest thing that happened, what was the worst thing that happened, what they wish they would have done differently. Give them a snack if you need to or if that's allowed. And then give them the choice or make them feel in control by asking them if they would like to do an activity for 30 minutes or so, or if they would like to start homework first, get it out of the way so you have the whole night to play and do whatever you want. So if they choose to do that activity, which I've found most kids do choose that activity, I limit it to 30 minutes, like I said. And then after that 30 minutes up, we quiet the house. TV's off, electronics off. If there's other siblings, I have them sit down as well and do a quieter activity. And then we sit at the table, no distractions at the table, not in the bed, not on the floor, not on the couch, at a table. Then we sit down and start our homework. I usually have them write out a list of things that they need to get done before the day is over or for the next school day. And then I let them choose the order in which we're going to knock out the homework assignments. And then we tackle it. We get the homework done. I also ask them to explain to me what that homework assignment is, so I know what they're doing or what they're supposed to be doing. And then as well as making sure that they're clear on what they're supposed to do. And if they're not, then I can step in and help if I need to. Some of my kids don't like my help. They want to do it on their own and just have me check their homework afterwards, which is completely okay by me, but I do still sit there to make sure I'm there if they need any questions answered. I have found that excuses they come up with all the time. There's every excuse in the book, but the main one is a glass of water, that they're thirsty, that you already gave them their snack, that 30 minutes or whenever they came home, you gave them a snack, so they don't need that. But I do set a glass of water next to them so there's no excuses except for bathroom breaks, which you can't really tell them that they don't have to. So that's the only excuse that I haven't been able to get around. I also do let them take little breaks in between their homework subjects, so they have like math, reading, and science to do. I do let them have that 5 to 10 minute break to get up and stretch and wake up their brains again and get whatever they need to get out, the wiggles, whatever it is. While they have their 5 to 10 minute break, I do check it, so once they come back, if something's wrong, they could fix it real quick before starting the next subject. If they have to read a book, I do offer for them to read to me. I don't mind that they read to me. I actually kind of like it. And if they do want to read to me, I ask, if it's a fiction book, I ask the who, why, where, when, what questions. I pretend that I don't know what's going on in the book so that I can get them to explain it to me and make sure that they understand it. And that's comprehension. So if it's nonfiction or informational kind of books or factual books, Then I ask them what the topic is, and then 2 facts that they learned while reading the book. If you're working within the math subject, I try to see if I can turn their math problems into a game somehow to make it more interesting and fun for them instead of just doing the old, okay, what's 2 plus 2? After all subjects are done, praise them for getting homework done and doing it as fast as they could and not complaining about it, and praise them for actually getting it done. You just got to be positive about homework because a lot of kids think of homework as negative. So you want to turn it into a positive, like, congratulations, you got it done, let's go play, and not think about it again. Remember, guys, you guys are not teachers, you are babysitters, so don't get too stressed out about it. Don't get frustrated, and remember, stay positive because your attitude or their attitude reflects your attitude. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.